Have you ever wondered what cryptocurrency is and how it works? Well, you are not alone. In this video, we are going to explain the basics of cryptocurrency and how it works, changing the way we think about money. Cryptocurrency is a digital form of currency that uses cryptography to secure and verify transactions. It operates independently of a central bank and is decentralized, meaning it's not controlled by any government or financial institution. Transactions with cryptocurrency are processed through a network of computers around the world known as blockchain. This allows for secure and transparent transfers without the need for intermediaries like banks. One of the key features of cryptocurrency is that it operates on a limited supply, with most currencies having a set limit on the amount that can ever exist. This helps to control inflation and maintain the value of the currency. Today, there are many different types of cryptocurrencies, each with its own unique features and uses. Some, like Bitcoin, are used as a store of value and medium of exchange, while others, like Ethereum, support decentralized applications and smart contracts. So, there you have it, a basic overview of what cryptocurrency is and how it works. It's a new and existing technology that's changing the way we think about money and financial transactions. Thanks for watching. For more information on cryptocurrency and its potential, be sure to check out our online resources. And don't forget to follow our YouTube channel, where you get all the latest information about everything crypto.